Hello planners, welcome to Bear Life Planner Apple Calendar Edition. Yay! So here I'm gonna show you how to use this Apple Calendar Edition. So as you can see at the corner you have so many icons those you can click. When you click one of them, it will help you go to the page based on the icon you click. The first icon you have Gmail, it will help you go to the Gmail page and you can message everyone you want. And the second one, you have Spotify. You can listen to your favorite song, like this. You can use Split View too, it help you more easier.
21, can you do something for me? Can you hit a little rich flex for me?
And the third one, you have Netflix. You can watch your favorite movie in here, but have to sign in first. And fourth, you have YouTube. So here you have so many choices that you can click based on your taste when you use Apple Calendar Edition. So useful, right guys? Here you have Dropbox, calendar, and you can check your health too. And here you have website that you can search anything that you want. For example, I'm searching Dropbox. You have reminders too, movie, books, and etc. You have TV here. When you don't want to use Netflix, you can use Apple TV to watch movie. We got notes too, guys. So on the left side, you have one icon that you can click, and it will help you go to the Dropbox page. So this is my Bear Life Planner. What is yours? Let's start yours.